Powermat Charging Spot 3.1 Revision B Installation Instructions. These are the tools required to install the charging spot electric drill and 70mm hole saw, slot head and Phillips screwdriver, electric screwdriver, measuring tape, masking tape, vacuum cleaner, and cable clips. These are the parts for the charging spots: top cover, electrical unit, coil unit, bottom cover, set of screws. Make sure you've read the safety instructions and pre-installation considerations. If you are installing several units in a store, it is recommended to plan your installation prior to starting. Take time to create an installation map of your venue. Download the Powermat Installer app, available for both iPhone and Android phones, and sign in. Locate your AC sockets, define the locations of your charging spots, and mark the tables. Mark the location on the surface where you intend to install the charging spot. Make sure there's a 1-inch clearance from metal objects below and above the table. Use masking tape above the surface to avoid surface edge chipping. Drill a 70mm hole in the table using an electric drill. Clean out the hole area with a vacuum cleaner. Lock the top cover onto the coil module firmly above the metal latches. Place and set the top cover and coil module in the hole. Make sure you have the unit graphics in the right orientation facing the user. Tighten the 3 latches under the table with 3 screws until the top cover is firmly mounted to the table. Mount the coil heatsink to the bottom of the table using 3 screws. Connect the electronic unit to the coil module. Mount the electronic unit to the table using 2 screws. Attach the adapter wires to the connector using the slot head screwdriver. Place the TXID sticker on the outer cover. Make sure it's visible. Cut out the knockout in the bottom cover with a wire cutter. Mount the bottom cover to the table using 4 screws. Plug the adapter into the power outlet. Make sure you see a white LED turn on in the charging spot. Use cable clips to attach the cable to the table. To activate the charging spot, please go to the Charging Spot Setup in the Powermat Installer app. Once the charging spot is activated, check your phone to verify that it's charging. You can daisy chain up to 4 spots per 1 adapter. If you wish to install more than 1 charging spot on the same table, make sure you have the proper power supply to do so. Connect the pigtail wires to the wire that will be routed to the second charging spot. Insert both wires into the first charging spot connector. Connect the second wire to the next charging spot. Now, you can place your phone on the power mat and be assured of continuous wireless charging.